Hello, I'm Dave Wilbur, Director of Agronomy and Customer Success at turfRad, and I'd like to have you join me today as we learn about the universal mount that is provided with our turfRad kits. Miranda Robinson, our Customer Success Advisor, is here to show you all about it. We include a manual. The manual has lots of pretty pictures in it, and we encourage you to use this. I know. So Miranda's going to put the frame together here, and we include a couple of Allen wrenches and a regular wrench and all the hardware that you need to do with this. So it's pretty straightforward. She'll put all that frame together, and then I want to show you a critical piece in the next part. So here's the sensor itself, and you'll notice these triangles. Triangles need to be mounted exactly like this, and the reason that these are important is it mounts the sensor at the exact right angle for scanning. Super important. All right, Miranda's getting the triangles put on here, and then we have some mounting arms that attach right to the triangles. Pretty simple, and then that will attach to the frame. All right, just getting those together, getting all that nice and tight. And again, we include all this hardware, so you've got everything that you need to be successful. All right, now, let's show an important part here. These are steel plates that come in the kit. And what we do with these is peel off the adhesive, stick them to these heavy-duty magnets that are on all four legs of the frame. Okay, just like Miranda's doing there. Now, super critical part. On the cowling or wherever you're going to mount the universal mount, clean that really well so that that adhesive will stick. And it takes about 24 hours for that to cure, okay? So those of you that want to get excited and get out scanning, I understand. But we do include a safety strap just to make sure that everything's good. Miranda's getting that all tightened down. And then here comes the sensor. Those arms that you saw just slide right into the tubing. And then there are pins. Put it right in, it's easy. This is the GPS antenna, and it hooks to the sensor just like Miranda's doing here, and then it's magnetic on the back and goes right to one of the metal parts. Won't stick to the aluminum, but that is metal right where she touched. And here's the power cable. Again, attaches to the sensor, and then you can run that to your 12-volt outlet. We provide a permanent power solution for those of you that want to do that. But for the demo situation, for moving the sensor around, this is the trick. All right, we've got power, we've got everything that we need. And if you need anything else from us, we're here. Thanks for joining us today. We appreciate you being a turfRad customer.